Force feedback steering wheel. PXN V10 Racing Wheel, 270 degrees, 900 degrees. Rotation with pedal and gear lever for PC, PlayStation 4, Xbox Series X/Shift, Xbox One V10. Hook. Ever slammed the brakes in Forza only to feel nothing? If your racing setup lacks the roar of the road and the grit of the track, it's time to upgrade. Enter the PXN V10 Racing Wheel, a budget-friendly force feedback beast that bridges arcade fun and sim realism. Why it stands out? This isn't just another wheel. With dual motor force feedback, 270 degrees 900 degrees rotation, switch with a button, and Hall effect pedals, the V10 punches above its price tag. Play on Xbox, PS4, PC, or Xbox Series X/S. No loyalty required. Suede grips hug your hands during drifts, while the 6+1 shifter clicks with satisfying authority. But wait, yes, it's loud under heavy FFB, and PS4 setup is clunky. Yet, for under $300, it's a Swiss Army knife for multi-console racers, craving immersion without emptying their wallets. Product overview. The PXN V10 is a mid-range racing wheel targeting gamers who own multiple consoles. Key specs include rotation, 270 degrees arcade, and 900 degrees simulation modes. Force feedback, dual motor system with external power requirement. Pedals, aluminum alloy base with Hall effect, Holtz sensors. Compatibility, PC, PS4, Xbox Series X/S, Xbox One, with PS4 controller tethering. Extras, 6+1 gear lever, adjustable wheel angles, and a dedicated app. Priced competitively, it aims to undercut giants like Logitech and Thrustmaster, while offering broader platform support. Unboxing and setup, packaging dimensions and weight. The 20.1-pound package arrives in a 17x 14x 14-inch box, hinting at a robust build. Inside, components are securely nested. Steering wheel with detachable suede cover. Pedal set with adjustable stability screws. 6+1 shifter. Allen key. USB/power cables and mounting clamps. Setup process PC/Xbox. Plug and play via USB. PS4. Requires tethering the DualShock 4 via USB first, a step some users might overlook. Force feedback. Requires a separate power adapter. Forgetting this leads to a lifeless wheel, a common complaint in negative reviews. Build quality and design. Steering wheel. The suede cover offers a premium non-slip grip but may wear over time. Detachable faceplate allows for future customization, e.g., aftermarket mods. Adjustable tilt/angle via Allen key caters to ergonomic preferences. Pedals. Aluminum base resists flex, though the throttle/brake pedals use plastic arms. Hall effect sensors eliminate potentiometer degradation, ensuring long-term accuracy. Shifter. The 6+1 gear lever feels plasticky, but includes a reverse lockout for smoother shifts. Mounting. Clamps support desks up to 50 mm thick. Stability is solid, though heavy force feedback can cause slight shifts. 5. Multi-platform compatibility. PC. Full compatibility via USB. Supports direct input and X input. Xbox Series X/SAC when 1. Native recognition as an Xbox controller. Works seamlessly with Forza Motorsport and F123. PS4. The tethering requirement is cumbersome but functional. Limited to PS4 titles like Gran Turismo Sport. Limitations: no native PS5 support. Mobile/tablet gaming isn't mentioned, narrowing its versatility. Force feedback performance. Dual motor system. Generates 2.5 Nm of torque, less than the Logitech G29, 2.7 Nm, but adequate for entry-level users. Strengths. Road texture and collision effects are pronounced. Weaknesses. Lacks the nuance of belt-driven systems, e.g., Thrustmaster T300. High-speed vibrations can feel grindy. Power dependency. The external power requirement is a double-edged sword. It ensures consistent feedback but limits portability. Pedals and shifter analysis pedals. Hall effect sensors. Provide linear input without jitter. Brake resistance is stiff but lacks progressive feel. Stability. Rubber grips prevent sliding, but the base's lightweight design may tip during aggressive use. Gear lever. The 6+1 shifter is serviceable for casual use, but lacks the tactile feedback of higher-end models. Detachable design allows standalone use. Adjustability and ergonomics. Wheel angle. 6-axis adjustment accommodates desk and rig setups. Pedal distance. Fixed spacing may challenge users with larger feet. Material choices. Suede versus leather debate. Durable, but requires maintenance. 9. 270 degrees versus 900 degrees rotation. 270 degrees mode. Ideal for arcade racers, need for speed, with quick, responsive turns. 900 degrees mode. Simulates real-world steering ratios. Perfect for truck simulators. Physical switch. Instant toggling, avoids software headaches. Software and customization. PXN Wheel app. Available on PC and mobile. Features include force feedback strength adjustment, pedal sensitivity curves, button remapping. Drawbacks: no macOS support, limited preset profiles. Gaming performance: Assetto Corsa. Force feedback conveys understeer/oversteer effectively. Forza Horizon 5 to 270 degree mode enhances drift responsiveness. Euro Truck Simulator 2 to 900 degree rotation shines, though FFB lacks weighty truck sensations. Pros and cons. Pros: unmatched multi-platform support, durable pedals with Hall effect sensors, smooth rotation switching. Cons: PS4 setup is clunky, mediocre force feedback torque, shifter feels cheap. Praise: value for money, sturdy pedals, easy PC setup. Criticism: PS4 tethering confusion, FFB power oversight, noisy motors. Competitor comparison: Logitech G29, better FFB, but PS/PC only. Thrustmaster TMX, smoother feedback, fewer platforms. PXN V10's edge, Xbox compatibility and rotation flexibility. Value for money: at approximately $250 estimated, it undercuts rivals be $250 estimated, it undercuts rivals be $50 minus $100. Ideal for multi-console owners needing a versatile entry point. Conclusion: the PXN V10 Racing Wheel isn't perfect, but it carves a niche with its cross-platform agility and adjustable design. While hardcore sim racers should eye higher-tier models, casual gamers and multi-console households will find it a compelling choice, provided they navigate its PS4 quirks and power needs. Final rating: 4/5. A robust, adaptable wheel let down only by minor ergonomic and feedback flaws.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.